Hi guys, today we will be looking at the AS2317. Let's see what's in the box. The well-known, well-secured package is always standards for the TMOTOR products. Here we've got the little accessory bag. Here we've got the back plate to mount the motor on the plane. And here we have the motor itself. This motor is the AS2317 with a 1250 kV. It's the long shaft version. First we open up the accessory bag to see what's inside. In the accessory bag you will find a little prop adapter so you can attach the prop to the motor. First take off the nut which is on the prop adapter. Here you will find 3 holes where you can put a little screw through. Put some Loctite on the screws to make sure that the prop won't come off while flying. First secure one bolt and then do the rest of the bolts the same way as you did the first one. Make sure to check if all bolts are tightened after you put in every single bolt. Now we're onto the back plate. Put a little bit of Loctite on the screw and mount it to the back of the motor. Make sure to check all bolts when you're finished assembling the back plate. Put on the front nut and now you have a fully assembled motor. Take out your plane and get all the screws out of the motor mount. Now you can put on the motor and fit the screws. Make sure to get your cable to the direction where you will mount your ESC. Put in the screws and lock it tight. Make sure to check it once again if the motor is fully tightened. Now you have a fully assembled plane with motor. For this plane I will be using a 30 amp EC.